really need you guys to come on the ground, come and help us and search when there is a child missing. I also need to ask you, Minister, to open your own missing person unit, because there's a big need, especially when it comes to Mitchell's Plain.
Gender-based violence is evil. That's what it's called. And like I say, when it was mentioned that men is the cause of it, I can put my hand on my own chest as a man. I'm disappointed that we have something like that. Fancy words, but it's evil. That's what we're calling it.
What are we supposed to do when it comes to police officers that is hitting our people? I mean, we don't say the crime and the stuff is right that they're doing, but nobody's above the law. So my question, my plea today is to the Minister to please work on that.
These are among the issues raised by community members attending the Imbizo. Gang and drug-related crimes have been identified as of particular concern in Mitchell's Plain.
I also want to, the sub-forums, I want to ask you to continue the good work that you're doing. The neighborhood watches, the block committees. I want to appeal to you to start working together. There's no way that we can fight one another, block committees versus neighborhood watchers, and at the end of the day, the community is suffering. So I want to appeal all of you that's still refusing to hold hands. Think about it. Think about what you're doing, and think about how we can hold hands to make Mitchell's Plain a safer area.
Police Minister Becky Cele says it's a lie that the province is being starved of resources, citing several interventions made in the fight against crime.
We've created a special team here for extortion. The first province where we created an anti-gang unit at a very high expense. This team is this province is one with the taxi task team. This is a team that in a minimal way we're looking very closely on the question of kidnapping. So we really work, and we are completely blind on the question of geography, while all our eyes are open on the question of making the people of South Africa, including Western Cape, in particular Cape Flats, safe.
Cele says the issue of crime should not be politicized. He's again referred to the provincial law enforcement as a parallel structure which does not necessarily work with SAPS. The Imbizo follows a march by the DA in Mitchell's Plain last week against what the party calls Cele's plans to hijack law enforcement. The DA is opposed to a single police service and wants policing powers devolved to provinces. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Mitchell's Plain.